Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarskills TV. You have me, Mark, and for this beautiful Monday. So very nice weather, cloudy but bright. There's no rain, and there's some semi windy situation going on. So puts a smile on my face. So it's also a payday today, but in some companies, they practice not giving salaries on a Monday. Instead, they make it earlier, like a Friday, even earlier if Friday also falls on a holiday. So, yeah, let me know in the comments if you do practice that in your company. So, what we have here is a recommendation from Kenneth Ignacio. Thank you, Kenneth. He recommends the song "When You're Gone" by the Cranberries. So before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let us give this song a go in three, two, one.
so much for watching. Only here at Friends Reading Channel.
And that's the end of the song. This is a very nice song from Cranberries. I actually dig this song. Kasi yung it's not like super sad song pero it's a song of longing. Yung that feeling na you want to tell that person na gusto mo siya kasama. But it's not like super super sad. Yung parang chill lang. Yung parang ano lang, yung you know that's those songs when you're thinking about someone tapos it's like somewhat when you're thinking about while you think about that someone, that song is playing in the background in your head. So parang ganun yung dating. Yung I like the tone ng guitar. Uh, Hindi siya yung bright eh, no? It's a bit semi-bassy, let's just put it that way. Tapos you can see may parang configuration na ginawa sila. There's a pickup configuration done here. You, kasi typically, 'di ba, if it's a ano, it looks like a Fender, 'di ba, yung or a Fender clone, basta Fender Strat style na guitar. And usually the pickup here is always like all white lang, parang three single coil pickups, one na near the bridge, one near the neck, and then one in the middle. This one looks like parang dalawa o double na single coil siya. Tas one is colored black. So I'm not sure if that was out of the box. Kung out of the box yan, most likely it's not a Fender, pero it could also be a modified. They might have modified it. So knowing si ano, no having watched their videos, I wouldn't be surprised kung si Sir Franz kung minodify niya yan. But let me know in the comments. Sa chord I'm not 100% certain kasi yung the shape of the chords that she used is not the ones that are common. These chords may have been done parang sa lower na part, 'di ba? Or maybe she tuned it down or tuned it up, whatever is required para yung mas madaling shape sana. Pero she did it this way, kaya medyo mahirap tignan. It's hard to figure out. Uh, but in my understanding, or as far as I know, most of the 90s songs were done with were not done in standard tune. So hindi siya yung key of E, 'di ba? If you know the guitar's notes, open string, so it's E A D G B E. In the 90s, as far as I can remember or as far as I can tell, they were played a step down. So they tuned down the guitar by one step. So when we say one step, parang one fret lower. So from E, it becomes E flat, A becomes A flat, and so on and so forth. So they play it that way. So I'm not sure if that's the reason why she's also playing it in a challenge more challenging shape, or talagang pinapahirapan lang tayong tipain din yung song or to copy the song from her. Either way, it sounded good. You know, it sounded like the actual song. So good cover. For the drums, I like the part where she does the rolling. You know the part where when I miss you when you're gone. Na, 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 it is what I do. Then this part. Then a. Because during that part she does the roll. You know, so it's just a solid roll. Kumbaga in Tagalog I would describe it as um ano ba yun? Bigay na bigay. Bigay it means give. So if I'm to describe bigay na bigay, so it's like doubling give. It's like she's giving it all when she's playing the drums there. So the energy, I'd say. And then finally, I like the use of the tremolo in the rhythm. So in the chord, so it's like do it up ding 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 kring. You know that last note of that chord progression, and then she does the tremolo. That's spot. I find that as spot on. So kuwang kuha. So it's a very good cover. And I mentioned in the first part of my reaction, I actually dig the song. Actually, Cranberries are that period or era where cranberries were popular. That's the era that I really dig. 90s to yeah, the 90s era in general. I'd say 90s to 99 or maybe a little over 2000, 99, 2001, something like that. But it's mostly alternative grunge. Those were the days. Those were the that's my era, if I may. So there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. And if you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.